This video is part of the Inspirational and Motivational Myths series. Today, we draw inspiration from the Perseus and Persephone, ancient myth. We embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of this elusive yet profound concept that has the power to transform our lives and the world around us. In life's symphony, true harmony starts within ourselves. It is the melody of our thoughts, the rhythm of our actions, and the balance of our character that shapes our journey towards excellence. Cultivating harmony, the excellence of character, is a journey of self-discovery and growth. It is a commitment to aligning our thoughts and actions with virtues that elevate our being and bring harmony to our inner world. Heraclitus once said, "Harmony consists in the proper balance of the parts." This insight reminds us of the delicate equilibrium needed to maintain harmony within ourselves and with the world around us. In the myth of Orpheus, the legendary musician's enchanting melodies brought harmony to all living beings, uniting hearts in a symphony of peace. Through his music, Orpheus bridged the mortal realm and the divine, showcasing the transformative power of art and creativity in fostering unity. Even in the underworld, Orpheus's music resonated, bringing solace to the realm of shadows. Orpheus's journey reminds us to cherish moments of peace and beauty in our lives. The myth of Persephone symbolizes the cyclical nature of life, the dance between light and darkness, and the inevitability of change. Persephone's story teaches us that transformation is integral to self-discovery and growth, showing us that renewal is possible even in dark times. By honoring life's seasons, we can navigate transitions with grace and resilience. Embrace life's cycles, like Persephone's journey between the underworld and the living world, to deepen your understanding of sorrow and joy. Life can change suddenly, as seen in Persephone's abduction, emphasizing the need to be prepared for unexpected shifts. Let us strive for inner harmony and peace, embodying the wisdom of ancient myths. By aligning our thoughts and actions, we can create a world where balance and unity prevail. Join us in this quest for inner harmony. Together, let's create a world where peace and balance reign supreme. Visit our YouTube channel for more inspiration, relaxation, and empowerment.